Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Ma Long versus Hugo Calderano. Who is stronger? Hi, welcome back. How are you today? Ma Long's superiority in unforced errors.
Different ways to do it.
One crucial aspect of any player's game is minimizing unforced errors, and Ma Long excels in this department. Throughout his career, Ma Long has displayed remarkable consistency, making fewer unforced errors compared to Hugo Calderano. Ma Long's discipline and focus enable him to maintain control over the ball, reducing the chances of costly mistakes.
Nice work on the backhand.
Explosive near the table. His first attack, he did parallels a lot.
7-4.
But Ma Long control.
Oh,
5-7.
I'm sure we'll get to see that.
The consistency of Ma Long's forehand. A player's forehand is often a key factor in their success, and Ma Long's forehand is renowned for its consistency and power. Ma Long possesses remarkable control over his shots, allowing him to consistently place the ball precisely where he intends it to go. This reliability in his forehand strokes gives Ma Long a distinct advantage over his opponents, including Hugo Calderano.
Red side out, it doesn't matter.
oh, he wasn't far away from that counter.
It's 11 shots, a lot of them quite distant.
2-3. Four, 2.
It might mean less spin on the serve.
5,
Hugo
2.
Calderano has in the net deception. For example,
6.
Ma Long, one of the most deceptive.
Maybe for Hugo Calderano.
2.
This is running
7.
away from him.
8, 2.
Yeah, he's 13 of the last 16. Marlon's
9,
way. 14 of the last.
To make Ma Long uncomfortable.
Head-to-head record. Examining the head-to-head record between Ma Long and Hugo Calderano further strengthens the argument for Ma Long's superiority. Ma Long holds a 4-0 lead in their head-to-head encounters. This statistic demonstrates Ma Long's ability to consistently outperform Calderano when they face off on the table. Considering the factors mentioned above, it is clear that Ma Long holds the edge over Hugo Calderano in terms of strength and overall ability in the game of table tennis. Ma Long's ability to minimize unforced errors, coupled with his consistent and powerful forehand, sets him apart as a formidable force in the sport. Furthermore, the head-to-head record strongly favors Ma Long, showcasing his ability to consistently outperform Calderano.
Well, these are what you do when some of these shots are still coming back the way they are.
2-1.
A bit more, he's not able to finish the point the way he's wanted.
1-3.
Coming in with the
2-3. 3-3.
Tough ask here.
4,
Makes that
3.
look really good.
move.
4-4.
It's just
5-4.
It's Ma Long. That's too good, Marlon.
Long.
Well, having said that,
5,
almost
6.
well, no one has stopped.
Seven, 5. 7, 6.
The rest of this match still has a little ways to go here.
6, 8.
Well done.
Oh, man.
7, 8.
Calderano.
How would he even get
8.
any of those shots?
8.
Well, like that, you heard that as well.
Now for Hugo Calderano in the lead this match.
10, 8.
At least that I can recall.
Seven,
3 in a
4.
row for There's just suddenly excited here in game 5.
4, 9.
Marlon.
Nine, 5. 9, 6.
Let's
7,
He's on
9.
the roll here, Calderano. What a run of points that
10, 8.
Marlon is through to the...
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.